Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gidok Keys. Today I want to do a tutorial how to set your keyboard for praise. How to set your keyboard for praise. So first off, we are going to be using Jazz as our main voice. To set it up, click Jazz is on 044, which is 44. So I've selected. If you want to select it, you click from here 044 to now give you the Jazz guitar. So this is our main voice. After putting Jazz guitar, then you click on function here and look for your M volume, because the main volume is supposed to be higher than others. Look for M volume, put it at 127. Yeah. So after that, next we're going to set here is our split voice. To set it up, you had click on split. I click on split, yeah. So if you have a bassist, you can use your ocarina. Ocarina is somewhere around 143. Let's get it. Let's look for ocarina. Yeah, 142. Ocarina is on 142. Once you have selected ocarina, next thing you're going to do is to set the split octave. To do that, you click on function here. Once you click on function, you now click on this category here. Look for split octave, put it on 1. Understand? After doing that, you now also select your split point where you want the split voice to stop. To do that, you keep clicking on this category and find your split point. Your split point where it should stop. Since you are using it for your backup, that's your left hand, you put it on 60. I normally use 60. It's now set. To activate it, you click on this split once. It's now activated. See, you have your ocarina here and your Jazz guitar on your right hand side. So that's not all. The next thing we are going to do here is to set up our dual voice. Dual voice to be under the main voice. The dual voice we are going to use here is clavique. It's like 337 clavique. You can get it on any PSRE series keyboard. Once you click on it, you now tap on it once to activate it. You see the volume is high. You now reduce the volume. Click on this function here, then click on category. Look for dual volume. Dual volume. Yeah, reduce it to something like 50. You see, the 50 is okay. After that, you're going to set up the harmony. To set it up, you had click on harmony. Then you're going to be using echo. Let's look for echo so that we'll be echoing a little bit. Let's use this echo. Once you select it, to activate it, you click on this harmony once. You see, harmony is activated. You see the difference? Let me deactivate it. You see, no echo. But once you click the harmony, you activate it. You see? See? This is how to set your keyboard for praise. See? It's now set up. So I hope you learned something today. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more. Thank you guys. God bless.